Assalamualaikum. Hello, I'm Sadia. Welcome everyone. I'm back with geometric second episode. So we will program with other shapes today. First of all, I will click a button and type the name of the shape I will be working with. It looks a little small to me, so I will resize. I make it larger and then center it. And now I'm copied the name because it will be needed again. So I'm came here in code. So first of all, I change the sprite name. Now I'm going to event and I choose when green flag clicked block and go to the motion and set the XY position. After setting this position, then I will again go to the event and choose when this byte click and I send a message. The name of this message is circle. So click OK. And now I'm going to the sound and take a sound block. Now I'm going to a pencil and go to the event block and I choose when I receive the message circle, then go to the motion and I set the XY position. And after that, I am go to the pen block and when this message I receive, I erase all and pen down and set the pen color. I like the black most for pen and I set the pen size to 5. And next go to the event and take a repeat block and it will be repeat 360 times. And now I take a move block and I also take a turn block. So when one step is moved, then 1 degree is rotated. That's why this code. So now let's check it how it works. Now I click the square. Yes, a perfect square. Now click the circle. Yes, this circle button is also working. But it would have been better if the pencil started from the middle. So here I'm changing the X and Y position of the pencil and set the code and click on the circle button. Now it seems to perfect to me and yes, it's working. Now I'm going to the another button and go to the custom and give the name. This is triangle and this time I also copied the name and centered it and make it larger. Now I go to the code and go to the event and choose when green flag click and go to the motion and set X and Y position of this button. And now I take when this sprite click and take a broadcast and I send the message triangle. So I write it down. Okay. Then play a sound from the sound block and go to the pencil again. I choose a block from event, that is when I receive the message triangle. Now I go to the motion block and set X and Y position and go to the paint block and first of all I erase all, then I will choose a block pen down. As usual, I set the pen color and pen size. Pen size will be 5 and pen color is black. Yes, done. I go to the control block and take a repeat block and set the 3-time repeat and go to the motion, take a move block under the repeat and take 100 steps and go to the control block for take wait a second block and again go to the motion block and take a rotate block. It will be 120-degree angle. Let's see, is it working? So first I click the square. Yes, it's work as usual. Then I click the circle button and yes, it's also working now. Now I click the triangle. Oh, the triangle is upside down. So I need to fix it. Now I'm changing the rotate block only. It's so high. So I need to change the X and Y position also. Then I am in motion, and so I change the X and Y position and remove the previous X and Y position. Okay, then let's try again. Click the triangle. Oops, it's so far from the middle. Then I also change the pencil X position and again change the X and Y position from the motion. So today I'm done here, and that's it for today. All will be seen again in the next part. So be safe. Bye bye.